Go ahead.
Scott Feist here, coming to you live from the Sacramento RV and Boat Show, representing Rogue Jet Boat Works. Back behind us, we have one of our 26-foot boats here on display. A lot of great things, a lot of great products going on in this show. We are a custom aluminum jet boat and marine boat manufacturer out of Medford, Oregon, and we're here to answer any questions or anything you guys need. This boat back behind us roughly drafts about 30 inches. With the 250 Verado on it, we reach speeds about 50 miles an hour.
Excellent. Perfect.